Greetings. So every morning I take 30 minutes to simply just lay with wherever I dream about and allowing all the messages and images and emotions to just settle into my consciousness. This morning at 5:45 a.m. I woke up with Dr. Mitchell Gaynor in my mind. It felt as if I was in a room with him, seated at a round table, listening to him speak about sound therapy with such conviction. His presence was strong, and I knew I had to bring his work to the surface, especially for those in the world of sound healing who are now being called to help and support as many people as possible. When we truly realize the power of healing through sound, we awaken to something far greater than ourselves. Dr. Mitchell Gaynor was an oncologist, and I feel that he was also a light worker. He was a visionary who saw beyond the boundaries of conventional medicine. His groundbreaking book, The Healing Power of Sound, explored how music, chanting, and vibrational frequencies could enhance physical and emotional well-being. He integrated Himalayan singing bowls, overtone chanting, and guided meditations into his cancer treatment programs, understanding that healing is not just about the body, but also about the mind and the spirit. His patients often reported reduced stress, increased resilience, and even improvements in their conditions, all from the profound effects of sound therapy. All things exist by reason of sound. Sound is the heartbeat of the eternal, and through sound was the cosmos formed. And this wisdom is found in sacred scriptures, where sound is not just vibration but a creative force, the breath of life itself. Dr. Gaynor understood this deeply, for he saw that each cell in our body responds to frequencies, and that through harmonic resonance we can restore balance, activate self-healing, and reconnect to our true nature. His work serves as a reminder that we have the potential to activate the body's natural healing abilities through vibration and intention. But for now, let's focus on why sound is such a powerful force, one that has been used for healing since ancient times and is more crucial now than ever before. At the core of everything is sound. The ancients knew this. The sages spoke of it. Modern science confirms it. Every atom, every particle, every cell in our body vibrates, creating a unique symphony of frequencies that shape our reality. When these frequencies fall into disharmony, disease follows. When they are restored to their natural state, healing happens. For the light that flows through all things, the sacred vibration is the key to understanding the cosmos. In the realm of sound, one must come into resonance with the divine frequencies, aligning with the flow of the universe. Sound is not just something we hear, it's something we feel. It moves through us, shaping our emotions, our thoughts, and even our physical structure. And just as sound has the power to heal, it can also be used to manipulate and disrupt. Think about how certain sounds, loud sirens, chaotic noise, or even unsettling music can trigger stress responses in the body. Now you can also imagine the opposite, a harmonic intentional frequency that brings the body back into balance. And this is the true power of sound. Our bodies are designed to maintain balance, homeostasis, but stress, trauma, and chaotic noise of the world can pull us out of alignment. When we immerse ourselves in healing sounds, we enter a state of harmony where the body and mind can recalibrate. One of the key principles of sound healing is entrainment, the ability of one frequency to synchronize with another. Just as a group of fireflies eventually blink in unison or pendulum clocks align their swings, our bodies naturally attune to vibrations around us. And this means that by surrounding yourselves with healing frequencies, we can restore balance effortlessly. For example, when you sit in a room with singing bowls, chimes, or even with your own voice humming a steady tone, your heartbeat and brain waves begin to slow, aligning with the rhythm of the sound. This connection is not random. It is the same principle that allows us to feel at peace by the ocean, where the rhythmic crashing of the waves mimics the heartbeat of Mother Earth. It is also why indigenous cultures have used drumming for centuries to bring individuals and communities into deep states of unity and healing. Our voice is one of the most powerful healing tools that we possess. The simple act of just humming, chanting, or singing can activate healing within your body. Tone, rhythm, and song work together to create an alchemy of transformation. Tone carries intention. When you speak, chant, or sing with awareness, you create a vibrational field that influences both your body and those around you. Rhythm is the heartbeat of existence, the pulse of the drum, the steady beat of a song. These rhythms help regulate our internal rhythms, aligning us with the natural flow of life. Our own heartbeat is not separate from the heartbeat of Mother Earth. Song carries emotion and also carries spirit. It is the universal language that transcends barriers and opens the heart. Have you ever noticed how you can be in a joyful state and then suddenly a song plays on the radio that transports you instantly to another emotional space? Perhaps bringing up a past memory, an experience that you have attached deep meaning to? Well, this is the power of sound. It bypasses the logical mind and moves directly into the subconscious, activating emotions and shifting energy within us. While sound is a powerful healer, it must always be used with awareness and integrity. A true practitioner understands that sound is not just about playing instruments or singing, it is about holding space, directing energy, and working with spiritual ethics. Working with sound requires deep responsibility. Every vibration carries intent, and those who facilitate healing with sound must always come from a place of clarity, self awareness, and service to the highest good. And so you must work with ethical principles such as purity of intention and respect for free will. So before using sound to assist others, you can ask yourself, am I coming from a place of love, a place of integrity and healing? And also, you should never really impose healing on someone without their consent, for sound is powerful and must be used with respect. Remember always that those who walk the path of true mastery must learn to yell with the power of sound, for it is the primal force that governs creation. Yet they must understand the ethics of their power. Balance is essential, for in imbalance, the seeker of wisdom becomes the destroyer of peace. And so I'll leave you now with a call to action. I invite for a collective sonic wave for healing our Mother Earth. And this is for everyone, not just anyone, not just people that are working with sound. But if every person working with sound took just 5 minutes a day to create a collective sonic wave, whether through toning, drumming, singing, or even playing an instrument, we could support Mother Earth in very profound ways. We are in the eye of the storm, but we are not powerless. We are here to anchor the light. It is time to remember our true power as healers, as creators, and as instruments of divine vibration. Together we can heal the planet, heal ourselves, and restore harmony to the world. Now is the time, so let's fully commit to the journey. Let's heal ourselves as we heal the earth, and as we heal the earth, we heal ourselves. And so it is.